Hello everyone, I am going to be doing Hannah Louise Poston's Monochromatic Makeup Tag. So she created a really fun tag where you do a monochromatic makeup look following 5 very simple steps. So her first step, and I'm looking down because I have her description box open from her video on my phone. So step 1 is start the video with base makeup and brows done. As you can probably clearly see, that is already done for me. Step 2 is collect a group of color cosmetics that are exactly the same color. Okay, so my base makeup stuff was pretty simple, although I used like 3 different foundations because they were all in front of me. I was like, let's just mix a whole bunch of stuff and get into this. So my instant thought when I saw this, and thanks to Hannah for tagging me too, by the way, I wanted to do purple. And the first thing I thought of was the purple shadow from the Pat McGrath La Vie en Rose palette. This shadow is one of the prettiest purples I have ever seen in my entire life. It is such a beautiful purple. It has such a unique reflect to it, like it's slightly shimmery, but it's not overly metallic. It's just such a beautiful purple. So I thought that I would build the look kind of around that. And one of my favorite purple lipsticks happens to be pretty much the exact same shade. This is NYX Liquid Suede in Amethyst. It's very close to the shade from the Pat McGrath palette. Obviously, it's a lipstick and an eyeshadow, so they're not going to be identical. This one has no shimmer in it, but I thought it was very close. And I have Pat McGrath Clear Gloss, so I was thinking for my lip look, I'd probably mix these two together. That's my plan right now. We'll see. Things can change moving forward. And I have purple eyeliners. So the two I figure are the closest are the Stila Smudge Stick in Violet and the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On in Psychedelic Sister. So again, it's not going to be perfectly exact, but I feel like it's pretty darn close. That's Psychedelic Sister, and that has a little bit of shimmer to it. And then that is a violet underneath it, which is a matte eyeliner. So I thought that I would give myself some options. I have a rough idea. I also have a little pot of glitter. Now this has gold and pink and purple glitter in it, but my plan is just to take the little purple glitter out. And there's different sizes. They're little circles. Some are really teeny and some are a little bit larger. And what my plan is, so I'm going to talk you through it before I get started here, and we'll see if it changes because that'll be fun as well. So I have very minimal product. Hannah went very editorial with her look, and that's what I want to do as well. I want to do something a little outside the box. So I'm thinking the purple glossy lip, and for the rest of the makeup, I'm not going to do like a very heavy eye. In fact, I'm going to just put the purple shadow underneath my lower lash line, maybe put the liner or liners in my waterline depending on what I feel like there, and then kind of use the purple glitter like as freckles across my face and have it just be very simple but kind of unusual. And that's always the most fun to me, is things that are just a little bit unusual. So I'm going to save the lip for last, and I'm going to build the eye stuff first. And I am going to put lashes on when I'm done because I feel like I need like a big pair of lashes and then a little bit of glitter. I think it's going to work, but I'm going to take you along with me and we're going to see. Actually, I think I am going to use the Stila liner first. So step 3 is just to create a look using only the color products that we chose. So no reaching into something a little bit different, and it's really just a challenge. And the thing that I love the most with editorial looks and just playing with makeup is how sometimes subtlety can speak volumes. Like sometimes when I do editorial makeup looks, I go for the very sort of cliched, like lots of makeup everywhere. And the editorial can be like this. It doesn't have to be a lot of crazy color either. So I am going to use the Stila liner as a base before I put the purple shadow on top. gonna try one of my smaller little crease brushes first because I think a lot of my pencil brushes are dirty, but I feel like that's gonna deposit a little bit too much product. So I'm gonna place a little bit first, and then I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush. A lot of my pencil brushes are dirty because I use them so often. This e.l.f. one is my favorite one that I've found so far though. I just love the little tapered point to it. This is going to be a very uneven look. I knew it was going to be unbalanced. I almost started the video wearing false lashes because I feel like having the lashes on will balance everything out. Just taking another larger crease brush, and I'm just softening the edges and kind of dragging it down a little bit. I dragged it up a little too far on that side. So I'm just going to take the brush I used for foundation, because I really don't want the purple on my lid. I really just want it down on my lower lash line. And I just want it to be very simple. I'm not looking for anything crazy. Sometimes the simpler the look, the better. You know what? I think that is probably good enough for now. I might add more, but I tried to get it as faded as possible. So I'm looking at this glitter now. This is from a little Etsy shop called Dazzle Glitter, and this is Pixie Trail glitter. It's really pretty. It really matches the exact same colors that are in the McGrath palette anyway, like the pink, the purple, and the gold are what's in here. So I'm gonna have to really work at getting these little pieces of glitter out and then start applying them. I'm gonna apply the glitter with the MAC mixing medium. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I feel like I always go out of focus when I'm applying glitter, so this is your warning that that could very well happen right now. I'm gonna do my best to avoid all the other little pieces of glitter. The larger pieces of glitter are a lot easier to pick up than the smaller pieces of glitter, but I'm just keeping it a little bit random right now. I'm not going for any kind of symmetry, like I'm not trying to line anything up. I'm not going to have like the exact same thing on the other side. I want it to be a little bit random, and I'm not bringing it up too far because I kind of want to have just like this smattering of purple little glitter flecks across. So I really like the random placement. I'm going to apply the NYX liquid lip now. by the McGrath gloss on top. Step 4 is to add mascara or lashes if you want to. So I'm going to add mascara and lashes, and I think my purple wig is a little bit necessary for this, and then I'll be right back to do step 5. Alright, so I am back. I did use a tiny bit of black liner for the lashes, but nothing else. Wig. And the final step of Hannah's tag is film some obligatory beauty guru slow motion voguing. Alright, I think I can handle that. So, I have a little bit of cat hair on my face. This gloss is so goopy that it's just sticking to everything. So I'm going to do some slow motion voguing. Make sure to let me know if you did this tag or if you're going to do this tag, because I would really love to see some fun monochromatic looks and even some like everyday monochromatic looks with like browns. And I even thought about like gray or silver would be really cool for a monochromatic look. I kind of want to do a whole series of monochromatic looks now, so you guys better do this tag before I do all of the colors. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna put some fun music on and really embrace my true beauty guru self. Bye for now.